All right, folks, right here we have a really nice CLEAN Case JX80. It's a four-wheel drive loader tractor. This tractor is knee-deep in rubber. Real nice tractor here. We're going to have it on our lot at Battle Farm Machinery. This tractor does have a 540 PTO, 2 sets of hydraulic remotes. The loader is a Euro Global attachment. Just real nice farm tractor right here. Stop on down and see it. Give us a call with any questions you may have on this. We're going to have our information right here on the video. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions or concerns.